There was a moment when you understood everything in English, but when it was your turn to speak, your mind went blank. Your heart beat faster, your throat felt tight, and the only thing that came out was, yes? Okay. If this has ever happened to you, then this video might change everything. Because today, I'm not going to teach you complicated grammar. I'm not going to give you boring rules. Instead, I'm going to show you 5 simple tricks that can transform the way you speak English. Not in months, but starting from today. And here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they are bad at English. They fail because no one showed them how to actually speak. So stay with me, because the last trick is something almost nobody talks about, but it changes everything. Trick 1, stop thinking in your native language. Let me tell you a quick story. A student once told me, "Sir, I know English, but I can't speak." So I asked him to say something simple. "Tell me about your day." He paused. He looked up, and I could literally see his brain working like this. First, think in Urdu, then translate into English, then fix grammar, then try to speak. By the time he was ready, the moment was already gone. And this is exactly what is stopping you. You are not speaking English. You are translating English. And translation is slow, very slow. Imagine this. If I ask you in your native language, "What did you eat today?" You don't think. You just answer instantly. Why? Because you are thinking directly in that language. Now here's the shift. You don't need perfect English to think in English. You just need simple English. Let's try something right now. Look around you. Don't translate. Just say in English, "This is my phone. This is a table. I am sitting. I am watching a video." Simple, right? Now let's upgrade it. I am sitting in my room. I am watching a helpful video. I want to improve my English. See what's happening? You are building thinking power. Real life example. Instead of thinking, "Man pani peena chahta hoon," I want to drink water. Train your brain to directly think, "I am thirsty." Short, natural, fast. From today, don't try to speak perfect English. Try to think simple English faster, because fluency is not about big words. It's about quick thoughts. Now, even if you start thinking in English, there's still a big problem. You open your mouth and nothing comes out. Why? Because you don't have ready sentences. And that brings us to the second trick. Trick 2, use ready-made sentence patterns. Let me ask you something. When children learn to speak, do they learn grammar first? No, they learn patterns. They hear, "I want this. I like this. Give me that." And they repeat it again and again until it becomes automatic. But you are trying to build every sentence from zero. That's why you get stuck. So here's the smart way. Learn sentence patterns, not just words. Powerful pattern 1. I want to plus verb. I want to learn English. I want to speak confidently. I want to improve fast. Now you can speak unlimited sentences with just one structure. Powerful pattern 2. I feel plus adjective. I feel nervous. I feel excited. I feel confused. Powerful pattern 3. I think plus sentence. I think this is helpful. I think I can do it. I think English is easy. See the magic? You are not memorizing 1,000 sentences. You are learning systems. Mini practice. Say this with me. I want to speak English. I feel confident today. I think I am improving. Again. Faster this time. Now again. Even faster. This is how fluency is built. Repetition plus patterns, your confidence. But wait. Even if you know patterns, even if you understand everything, there is still something that destroys your fluency. Something invisible, something emotional, and that is fear. Trick 3. Speak without fear of mistakes. Let me tell you something very important. You will make mistakes again and again and again, and that's okay, because mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Real life situation. Imagine two people. Person A speaks slowly, makes mistakes, but keeps talking. Person B knows grammar, but stays silent. After 3 months, who will improve faster? Always person A. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Fluency comes from using the language, not studying it. Simple practice. Start speaking like this. I go market yesterday. Wrong? Yes, but understandable. Now improve slowly. I went to the market yesterday. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak first. Improve later. Think about this. A child falls 100 times before walking, but never says, I'm not ready yet. So why are you waiting? Now here comes something powerful, because the next trick is where most learners fail. Even after months of practice, they still don't sound natural. Why? Because they don't train their ears. And that brings us to trick 4. Listen like a learner, not a viewer. Most people watch English content, but they don't learn from it. They watch like entertainment, not like training. Smart listening method. Pick a short clip. Listen carefully. Pause. Repeat exactly. Copy the tone, speed, emotion. This is called shadowing. Example. Audio says, I don't think that's a good idea. You repeat, I don't think that's a good idea. Again, again, again. Soon, your brain starts copying natural English. Not textbook English. Real English. Now, you've learned 4 powerful tricks. But the final one is the difference between people who try and people who actually become fluent. Ready? Trick 5. Speak every single day. No excuses. This is the simplest, but the most powerful trick. Consistency. You don't need 5 hours a day. You need 10-15 minutes. Every day. Daily routine. Morning. Speak 5 sentences about your day. Afternoon. Think in English while doing tasks. Night. Talk to yourself for 2 minutes. No partner? No problem. You are your first speaking partner. Imagine this. 30 days from now, you speak without fear. 60 days from now, you speak with confidence. 90 days from now, people say, wow, your English improved so much. And it all started with small daily steps. Now I want you to do something. Don't just watch this video. Use it. Right now, comment below, I will speak English daily. And start today, not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Because your voice matters. Your ideas matter. And the world is waiting to hear you. And if you want more videos like this that actually help you speak, make sure to subscribe, because this channel is your journey to confident English.